Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Respectful Spot, a story about respecting people, places, and things. Hi, my name is Spot, and I'm not just any ordinary spot, I'm a little respectful spot. I've never seen a respectful spot before. What does respectful mean? Being respectful tells people you not only care about them, but you care about yourself too. And today I'm going to show you examples of how you can respect people, places, and things. Places, people. First, let's talk about things. A good example of things you might have are school supplies. We want them to last as long as possible, so we can enjoy them all year long. Here are some ways to respect things. Click caps so markers and glues don't dry out. Use as instructed so they don't get damaged. Clean up your area when you are done so nothing gets lost. Sit while cutting. Pass scissors handle first. Hold blade down while walking. Walk slowly when holding scissors. Some things need to be handled safely. You can respect things by being gentle and careful. Sometimes you don't have something you want. You can respect things by asking to use them instead of taking them. Can I have some paper, please? Here is a fun tip. When respecting things, only play with one thing at a time. Once you are done, put it away so you will know where to find it next time. You can respect things by putting them in their place so they don't get lost or damaged. Books are so fun to read, but in order for them to last a long time, we must be respectful while reading. You can respect books by turning the pages carefully so they don't bend or rip, using clean hands so pages stay clean, keeping food and drinks away from books so nothing accidentally spills on them. Now that you have seen how to respect things, let's talk about respecting places. A place can be a house, school, store, restaurant, or library. It is common for different places to have their own set of rules. A library might have a different set of rules than a playground park. You can respect places by knowing the rules and following them. It is so much fun to create art, but all your art should stay on the paper, not the walls or furniture. You can respect places when you only color on the paper. Running is not safe indoors because you can accidentally break things, hurt yourself, or run into people. You can respect places by calmly walking inside. No one wants to be surrounded by garbage. It's important to keep things clean and safe. You can respect places by placing your trash in the garbage or recycling it. Do you see a sidewalk? A sidewalk is used to protect the grass and flowers. You can respect places by using the sidewalk instead of walking through grass or rocks. Now that we have covered how to respect places and things, let's learn how to respect people. It's not only important to respect people your own age, but respect people older and younger than you. You can respect people in a lot of ways, different ways. You can respect people by being polite and saying please and thank you. Thank you. You can respect people by following instructions. You can do this by having your eyes watching and your ears listening. You can respect people by raising your hand and waiting your turn when someone else is speaking. You can see here a little spot of kindness by raising your hand and waiting your turn when someone else is speaking. You can respect people by giving them enough personal space by not standing too close. This will help them feel more comfortable around you. You can respect people by being patient and waiting your turn in line, by keeping your hands to yourself and being quiet. Okay, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to be respectful. I actually have some other spots I'd like you to meet too. We all belong to the happiness family. Thankful, patience, honesty, courage, organization, teamwork, and kindness, and the respectful spot. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!